So guys, here we have our basic structured HTML document open with the CSS and JavaScript. In this tutorial, we will learn how to add comment for HTML, CSS and JavaScript. To add comment for HTML, we need to start with less than, exclamation, dash dash, then the comment you want to add. Suppose this is an HTML comment. Then to close it, dash dash, greater than. Now how to add CSS comment? Slash star, then write your comment. Suppose this is a CSS comment, star slash. Lastly, for JavaScript, slash slash, this is JavaScript comment. With this we can make a single line comment, and if we want to add a multi-line comment, for that press on enter, slash star, then add your comment, close the comment with star slash, and we are done. So guys, that's how easily we can add comment in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.